Yes, good morning once again. Now we are starting word processing, and the main program we'll be dealing with is the Microsoft Word. So we've compiled a total of 14 progressive exercises for conducting practical on all the necessary elements required to create a document using Microsoft Word app. Now, practical 1 will basically deal with the text entry and formatting. Practical 2 will deal with text formatting and alignment. Practical 3 entails bullets, numbering, and lists. Practical 4 entails inserting and formatting tables. Practical 5 inserting images and shapes. Practical 6 headers, footers, and page numbers. Practical 7 spell check, find and replace, and thesaurus. Practical 8 we are dealing with page layout, margins, and columns. Practical 9 we are dealing with styles, table of contents, and cover page. Practical 10 we are dealing with mail merge basics. Practical 11 we are going to cover watermark, page color, page borders, and the cover page. Practical 12, advanced tables, arithmetic formulas, shading, alignment, and all that. Are we together? Practical 13, charts, SmartArt, text box, and shape integration. And finally, practical 14, find and replace, header, footer variations, page breaks, and paragraph spacing. So at the end of all these 14 practicals, you should be able to produce a Word document well formatted the way required. Are we together? Now, for us to start with the Microsoft Word, we need to organize our files. First of all, maybe you need to create a folder where you'll be saving the files, isn't it? So I go to the desktop and I create a new folder. You right click, then you go to new, then you choose folder. Are we together? So you can name this your folder. I can put caps lock on and name it ICT space Prats. Are we together? So I have created a folder ICT Prats on the desktop, and I'm going to save the Word document into that particular folder. Are we together? So let us start with the practical 1. Practical 1